Hi guys, what's up and welcome to Kind Views. For those who are not familiar, my name is Pretty Kind, and for those who are, hi Kitty. Welcome back, Kitty. Today I have been absolutely neglecting my skin. As you can tell, dark spots here. It doesn't look bad, but I just haven't been keeping up. And if I keep on as I am, I'm gonna be back where I started, and I don't want that. I need to get back in the right direction. So with that being said, I want to address, like I said, these dark spots and just like bring some more liveliness back to my face and brighten up my skin. So I'm gonna make a super quick and easy honey and coffee mask. This mask can be used for your under eyes only or your full face. Today I'm gonna be using it for a full face, and in the morning I'm gonna use it for my under eye. Let's go ahead and get going because I have a day ahead of me and I'm not spending all day on this. I love this because it's quick, easy, to the point. So let's go. So here are some of the ingredients I'm gonna use. Obviously the coffee that I'm not showing you because it's not the brand that I would prefer, but I'll put it in the description bar below. I'll put everything I use. Ground coffee, you can grind it yourself. If you freshly grind your coffee, tea, even better. Outside of the coffee for this mask, we're gonna be using coconut oil, honey, turmeric powder. I like to use this one just from Amazon, hot water. I personally like to use all organic products, so that's just what I decide for myself. I just feel better about it, but you do whatever you please. Do as you please. It's gonna work anyway, but I just like clean ingredients is what I'm getting at. Starting with 2 tablespoons of the ground coffee, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon and a half of honey, teaspoon of coconut oil. The teaspoon I use for the coconut oil, I stir it in the water, and then I'm gonna grab 2 tablespoons of the water just so I'm getting all the ingredients that I want. And now I'm just gonna stir this all together until it gets to the consistency that I like. I'm gonna let this sit now. Anything I do at home, all of my DIYs, I really prefer to sit and just let all those ingredients really come together. Unite, honey. Unite against the stresses that I put on my skin. So while that's sitting, I'm gonna go shower, clean my face, clean my skin, and then apply my mask.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my bed, but love it when I'm playing games. I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my bed, but love it when I'm playing games. It's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you mine forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think you do some magic in it. As I keep it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You beat it, and I'll be there. And I'll be there.
I can't relate.